Getting it tight?
Yep. Now am I done?
Almost. Is it tight?
Yeah. I think. Oh.
Gotta get it real tight. Okay, we gotta turn it like that.
Hey, why? Why?
You're not done.
Oh. Why? To dry one hand off.
Okay.
Doing it. What's your hand? This?
That's it right there, I think.
Come on.
Is
Like
that where we want it? Let me see. Yeah, is that where we want it?
Yeah. I think. Hey, where's the towel?
Right behind you. Okay. Stick that rubber thing back on there. That rubber thing.
Oh.
Stick it back on there and then stick it in this hole.
What then?
Stick the tie rod in that hole.
What tire?
The tie rod in that hole.
That?
Yeah, see?
How?
Yeah.
There.
Wow.
Wow. Look. I can.
Stick it down here. Take these.
What
Take these.
What?
And beat on it right there and hit it down. Now use it like a hammer, like this.
Okay.
Yeah, there you go. Beat down.
Why?
Because you're fixing it. That's how you fix it. Okay. Alright. Good job, buddy.
That's how you do it.
That
Hey,
is it.
Dad, why is it dirty?
Because I'm dirty.
Oh.
Fixing the check? Good job.